Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a drop cap in Microsoft Word. It's actually really simple, okay? Let's say this paragraph right here, the first paragraph, I want to insert a drop cap where I have a huge capital M at the start. Actually, let me just show you. You just come here, click on insert, and then you'll see this option right here, drop cap. It's going to look something like this. The first letter is going to be like a big letter here. Okay, here, just click on drop. And here, boom, you can resize it, you can play around with it. This is how it's going to be. You can resize it like that. Or actually, what you should be doing is you can also do this in margin. The letter comes outside the margin, but we can choose drop cap options and we can choose the amount of lines to drop, the distance from the text. Let's say instead of dropping just 3 lines, I want it to drop 4 lines. So the whole 4 lines here. Just press OK. The first 4 lines, they're dropped. And it's literally that easy and simple, guys. You can play around with it, mess around, and see what works out for you. If this video helps, make sure you like, comment if you want. You can subscribe.